Hey y'all, it's Yvette and I am here to open my Cotton Cuts box from September. No, I just did September. October 2022, and I am super excited to get it open. You guys know I've just moved to Colorado, and so things are still really crazy in here, but I want to know what's in my box. So I'm going to get this open. If this is your first time here, welcome to my show, and please consider subscribing. In fact, why don't you just do it right now and ring that bell so that you know every time I have a new video or if I go live, which I am going to try to do a whole lot more often. So we're going to do some live sewing here. We're going to have some unboxings, and I am a fanatic about foundation paper piecing, so you'll definitely get a bit of that. So here is my Cotton Cuts box for October, and I've already cut the tape, but I have not opened it yet, so let's get going. Okay, when you open it up, that's what it looks like inside with their lovely little sticker. Okay, so we always get this lovely little saying, and this one says, "A year from now, you'll be glad you started today." And there you go. And Amy has curated my box, so thank you so much, Amy. Appreciate that. I'm going to come back to that when I'm ready for the fabric. But let's meet the designer who is in our spotlight, and that is Lou Orth. And there she is. Hi, Lou. She's real pretty. So here's a little bit about Lou. It says, "Hi, I'm Lou of Lou Orth Designs, and I'm a quilt and sewing pattern designer working from, Oxfordshire, UK. I wasn't expecting that. I have tried my hand at many different crafts over the years, but nothing clicks with me like stitching with fabric does. Guided by my mother-in-law on her old Husqvarna machine, I started sewing not long after my first daughter was born. Having hated sewing in school, I could never remember to put that presser foot down. I didn't hold out much hope for a new hobby sticking, but it did. I was instantly hooked on the amazing feeling that comes from creating something with your own hands. I started off with cushion covers and little lavender bags, and then I soon discovered the world of modern quilting and beautiful designer fabrics, and I never looked back. Over the years, I have worked with many British sewing and quilting magazines such as Love Patchwork and Quilting and Molly Makes, creating patterns and projects for them. You can also find me teaching and running live sewing demonstrations on Sewing Street TV channel, and for, I have no idea what that says, V-Line interfacing brand in 2018. You guys probably have heard of it, or some of you may have. Launched my own collection of paper and PDF patterns, which you can find on my website. I love the world of modern patchwork and creating patterns and classes that are fun to sew and easy to follow. I am naturally drawn to bright colors and simple designs, and my patterns mainly use geometric shapes organized in a thoughtful way to create unique but simple to repeat designs. Awesome. So she is Lou Orth Designs. And I'm going to scooch over a little bit. So right here, I'm going to be putting up photos of the patterns that she is offering up. We get to choose one for free as a classic box subscriber. And the first one is called Charmed. And she's right. That's a very geometric pattern, and it is arranged in a thoughtful way. And also it's her use of color that really draws your eyes to it. So I like that one. The next one is Wildflower Meadow, and that one is super cute. Okay, so it's got very geometric looking flowers and arranged in a very thoughtful way. She's got it bang on. She knows exactly what her aesthetic is. So good job. And then the next one is called Vintage Tiles. And that one, same thing. Ooh, I kind of like this next one. So this next one is called Sprout, and it reminds me of a couple of different patterns that I've seen. And this one, I'm really enjoying the simplicity of the straight line down with the like just open space next to it. It sort of like gives it room to breathe. I really like that. And then the border just ties it all together. I like that one. And then finally we have Shooting Stars, and I love it. To me, it looks like stars, diamonds, and books. Can't go wrong. I love all of those things. Okay, so those are the choices that we have. And then the block of the month is this guy. And of course, you have the color sheet on the back. So take advantage of that to plan your blocks. Okay. Alrighty, so back to the contents. Inside, you're going to find a little lagniappe, and that's Cotton Cut's way of saying thank you for subscribing to the box. Every month, we get a little lagniappe, which is a little something extra for nothing, just to say thanks. And, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm super stoked. This month, our special thank you is a needle minder, and look at it. And it's not only the needle minder, there's like flipping needles in there. Like we got the whole thing. These are tapestry needles inside in size 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. I'm opening this because, oh my goodness, I think it's a magnet. Okay, so this little guy is a magnet. And then here are all your needles that you got inside. And you know, I'm always searching out nice tapestry needles because I use those in cross stitch, and so thank you. And I'm really excited about this. This is a really nice gift, guys. This is a really nice gift. I said that twice in a row, so you know it must be nice. Okay, so I'm going to put aside my really nice gift. And now I'm going to tell you about the fabric that's in our box. Again, Amy curated this. Thank you, Amy. Okay, so the first thing I have inside is some florals. And the florals are Buttercup Slate by Little Miss Shabby for Moda Fabrics. Can't wait to see those. The next one, Holiday Seasonal. And that fabric line is Winter Pingos, Pingos, by Stoff Fabrics, STOF. Now, I've heard of Stoff Fabrics, but I have not, I have never like just gone and checked out what they got over there. So I should probably do that. And so that also means that I have no idea what Winter Pingos is at all. So this should be fun. The next thing I have inside is Juvenile and Children's, and that collection is Water Babies by Sugarly Designs for Studio E. Have not seen that either. Y'all, I'm out to loop. And finally, we have some blenders. Something I know. The blenders are K-Facet Fall Release for Free Spirit Fabrics. Okay, so let's get them out. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to put the box down. And here are the fabrics that I received. Okay. So let me take them out. And just in case you don't know how this works, I pull all the fabrics out. I go through them one at a time and put them in stacks. This time I have 4 different fabric collections that I can divide them into, and I try to like put them in the right stack together. And whatever's coming out of my mouth, that's my guess. Whatever you see on the bottom of the screen here is the absolute fact. So if you are looking for more of that fabric, look down here so that you can go and find more. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to start putting them in stacks. Let me look. All right. I think somebody like really helped me out right on this one. And then this, oh my goodness, this one is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, that must go together. I wonder if that one goes there. I don't know. Okay, I think oh, you know what? I think those go together. Okay, honestly, y'all, Amy, you put all the collections together. That's what I think you did. So you really helped me out. I think, I think Amy kept the collections together. Usually that is not the case in these boxes. Usually they kind of get rearranged a little bit and like some kind of little color, like how you, anyways, doesn't matter. All right, let's get going because I'm pretty sure I'm going to get all these right. All right, so the first collection, again, is the florals. It is Buttercup Slate by Little Miss Shelby Little Miss Shabby. I have to get that correct. Little Miss Shabby for Moda Fabrics. Okay, so I think these 4 fabrics belong in that collection. And here's the first one. This is a much better camera angle, but I don't think I get as bright. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Y'all tell me. I do have another Hollywood light, but it's like packed somewhere. I haven't found it yet. I'll get there. This is the next one. I love this. It's so clean and bright. There's something about it I just really love. And then we have this one. Now this one is nice and bright too, but this one having that outline, I don't know, I like that. I like them both, but I like the one with the outline for some reason a whole lot better. And then finally, this one. Okay. Yay. The next collection is Winter Pingos by Stoff Fabrics. All right, so these 2, I think, are the ones that go into this category. Here's the first one. It is a deep dark red with just like Christmas trees tossed in there. It's cute. I like that. And then the next one, these are so adorable because it makes me think that, were they trying to say penguins? I mean, I have no idea, but don't these look like penguins to me? And I think that they could be winter penguins. I don't know, but it says pingos. I'm telling you, Pingos. I don't know what a pingos is, but I'm gonna have to go to Google that after this is up. I'm gonna have to go check it out and see. Okay, so the next collection is Water Babies by Sugarly Designs for Studio E, and they are adorable. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I'm going to show you the absolute cutest. It's adorable. Look at this. Look at this. You got a little crab, and then you got a little black and white crab, and then more crabs, and then you got little stars, and I didn't realize they was like mostly crabs. But that's like super cute. The little stingrays. That's what I think they are. Maybe not. Maybe they're just like little triangle fish. They are super cute. And then to go with that is this really super cute. I've said super cute way too much in this video. But these stars. And look how it goes with. Oh, I just love this. I mean, maybe they only get, no. I'm thinking, does this go with? I don't know. You'll know whatever's on the bottom is the truth, because maybe I got some wrong, but it doesn't even matter. They're so cute. Okay, and finally, we have the K-Facet Fall Release for Free Spirit. And I'm sorry, but you can never mistake K for something else. I don't think, anyway. Well, I don't think so. Here's the first one. And I think these are actually flowers and not cabbages. They look like flowers. And then we have, I love this one with the dots. I just really do. I think these would be great for a background or even like a binding. I think that would be super cute. And then the next one. And again, I think these are flowers as well and not cabbages. I know he does cabbages a lot, but these are flowers. For sure. Nice big flowers. And then finally, the last one is this cute black and white. And those look like ferns to me. I really like it. Those almost right there, like if you pull it back, don't they kind of look like smiley faces a little bit? Okay, so let me pop these back in the box so we can look at them all together. It's going to look exactly like when they were in from the beginning, because Amy helped me out. She like drew me a solid and put them in there all with the collections all together. So thanks, Amy. I have to like buy her a coffee or something. But there they are. And there you go. I have quite a bit left to open. Hopefully I can get more out there quickly for you guys so you can see what's inside. I definitely have a cat lady box coming up super soon. And I've got Jelly Bean like sleeping right under the chair just waiting for that one. So I'll see you soon. Mwah.